Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Sean and this is RFDHobby. Now today's update, I'm sorry, is again not a very fun one. I just want to let you know what's happening with the channel at the moment and just kind of what's happening in my life. As most of you know, been through some tough challenges recently, lost everything, but I honestly thought I was going to be able to land on my feet, especially after, the house settled and the insurance settled and everything sorted out. I just figured I had a bit of a safety net there to help me get me back on my feet. It's in this housing market, it's just not enough to do anything. And I should be clear, this is not me being, fussy about where or how I live. I mean, I've been in this factory here for nearly 6 months. I don't have a toilet, shower, kitchen. I have a roof and a bed, but that's basically where the similarities to a house end. It's just it's clear that I don't have the capacity to just purchase a house. I can't get back into that sort of market anymore. And the obvious solution would be to just rent or maybe borrow some money. But given my recent heart attack and the state of my mental health, I'm not able to work. And for those wondering, YouTube does not make a difference to my income. But, I'm obviously not considered, really an option for landlords or banks. I'm high risk when there's 20 low risk options for them. So I can't really blame the rental market for doing what it's doing. And I've considered the option of staying in the workshop here for some time. Maybe I could make it work, but this is really not a comfortable or healthy way to live. It's so many things I miss. Honestly, I'm just tired of being uncomfortable and constantly feeling like I want to go home. So I'm currently weighing up the option of moving into a caravan. This is not ideal by any stretch. It would at least give me a place where my daughter can come visit and stay the night, which is a huge thing and a major priority for me, obviously. The downside to doing this and moving to a caravan is having to give up my workspace and my tools. I just can't afford to rent two places. I can't have a workspace and a place to live. So I'm still not sure if this is really an option for me. I mean, I don't know how difficult it is finding permanent sites for caravans at the moment, but I will have to look into it. I just don't know what else to do. Now, I guess part of the point of the video today is to talk about the hobby as well on the channel, and the hobby has always brought me joy and peace. It's the thing I could always get lost in, but I'm just not finding that at the moment with this constant worry about my health and my living situation right now. So I think I just need to focus on finding a solution to that. I really don't want the channel to die. I think I've been trying to kick it along for a couple of years now, and I really want to keep doing this into the future, but I just can't find my mojo while I'm in this situation and this cloud is over me. So I have posted some updates about my situation over the last year or so, but honestly, the sad old man updates on the channel really hurt the channel. So I don't want to take this thing through a slow, painful death. So I'm going to try and post some hobby content when I can. But the reality is I'm just not able to give you guys what I should be giving you as far as, content on the channel. And while I do say in my videos, I'll be back soon, we'll have a new video, it's just a struggle at the moment, unfortunately. I know I sound like a sook here, and I am. I've just really struggled to catch up on and deal with all these things that have happened. It just feels like, one thing after another for a little while there. So I'm still a bit of a mess. I do need to sort my shit out. And I just want to say this isn't a request for help. I was already blessed with way more support than I deserved from the YouTube community when the house fire happened. I'm just not making the progress I thought I would, and I need a place to live. So if you're a YouTube member of the channel or you subscribe to my Patreon, I have to say the channel content is going to remain light for the time being. So I understand if you cancel those subscriptions, those payments. I'll try to post up some community updates, perhaps, to give some progress to those that can't look away from the train wreck, I guess. As far as content goes, I just wanted to be clear and upfront that it's really difficult at the moment. So the content will stay light around hobby stuff, and if you do want to catch up or have a chat, just drop into my Discord sometime. Anyway, guys, that's about it for now. I will let you know how it goes, and hopefully I'll be back with some good news soon. And I hope you all take care and all the best. Thank you everyone for your support so far, and hopefully we'll pick this up again soon.